we've never previously supplied a CIJ printer. We probably had quite a set opinion of the technology, but that was based on the feedback we had from customers.
CIJ as a product, everybody's used to. And I think also people have got used to the fact that CIJ has its own inherent issues.
Customers often said it's a very clever technology. It does what it needs to do, but it needs quite a lot of attention. We'd like there to be something better. I think our first thoughts when Leibinger approached us was this could be just the right product at just the right time. We realised that there were very specific benefits to the printers that we knew would address the issues that our customers were having.
The Leibinger range really is centred around performance and uptime. The way in which it performs, I think it outstrips anything I've seen to date.
Leibinger CIJ technology is a complete game changer compared to competitor offerings on the marketplace. Our total focus is on our customers, on their production efficiencies. One example of this, probably the best example, is our automatic nozzle seal, which totally eliminates unnecessary cleaning routines of the printhead and really makes a significant contribution to maximising our customers' uptime.
Rotech will only sell high quality equipment that really addresses our customers' needs. Leibinger, they're all about quality. Attention to detail in every part of the production process, which is something I've never seen before.
It's actually really unique in as much as I would say 88% of the finishing of every single component in a Leibinger printer is actually done in the Tuttlingen headquarters.
We really just want our customers to go through the same thought process that we have had to go through here, to understand that not all CIJ printers are created equally.
Words of encouragement that I would offer would be to trial one, to actually see what the IQ and the rest of the range bring to the customer and see what benefits they'll receive from having a system that is pretty much set up, ready to use, ready to go in a very short space of time and looks after itself.
Yes, it falls under the brackets of CIJ, but it's not CIJ as you know it.